Hello Sofology. We've had this sofa for about 2 months now. We paid close to £3,000 for the double power recliner. It comes in two separate halves. This particular half here, I think it might have been made at 5 to 5 on a Friday because the sound that it makes is terrible. I'll demonstrate that for you just now. To give you an idea how bad it is, we put our 1-year-old son to bed at 7 o'clock in an evening, and we cannot use this sofa because the noise that it makes at that time of night. That just tells you how bad the situation is. So I'm hoping that my phone picks it up. I'm sure it will do, but I'll show you what we're having to deal with. Imagine, you sat with your missus on the sofa of an evening, and these are the sounds that it makes. Anytime you apply any pressure on the sofa, on this side or even on the opposing side, there's something going on in this top corner, and it's making a terrible creaking sound. Now, I've been on your website and you do say give it 3 weeks because it's just natural. This isn't natural, and this isn't a £3,000 sofa. We've had it 2 months and it sounds like it's 15 years old, and the fact that we can't use this in an evening is pretty poor. And that's just me using my hand. Imagine full body weight on this sofa. It sounds horrific.